Assalamu alaikum friends. Friends, today's topic is gonna be a very interesting topic because if any person who's willing to invest in Turkish real estate for the purpose of investment, citizenship or residency, this is one of the most important topic. Any foreigner who is buying real estate abroad, the first thing that comes in his mind is who will be taking care of this property. So property management company who you will be working with is a very important factor when you are investing abroad. So let's go ahead and discuss this. So friends, what I believe is if the property management company whom you are working with, if they are professional enough, if they are experienced enough, your experience in buying a real estate in any country will be very smooth, and vice versa. If you've got a very good property, the returns are very good. But if the property management company whom you are working with is not very professional enough, is not very cooperative or not very reachable, or if they are not very approachable, the experience of investors is generally not that great in such a condition. So as you all know, we offer y'all property management services. Whether you buy property from us or not, we go ahead and manage your properties. I know a lot of clients who were not happy with their consultants because most of the clients have this complaint. Once I bought the property, the after sale services was not that great. So even though they bought the property at right times, at right places, the returns were good, but their overall experience was not very good because the person who's managing the property was not up to the mark. So now I would like to discuss, what are the kind of services that we offer and why you should go ahead and opt for our property management services. First is, we've been managing a lot of properties on the European side and the Asian side of Istanbul. We've got a lot of experience. So, we've got a very good technical team. We've got a very good legal team who supports us and who make sure that you've got a very smooth experience after buying your properties. So we ensure that you get very good returns on your investment. We suggest you the right kind of thing that has to be done on your property. So for example, whether your apartments needs to be furnished and rented, we help you in furnishing the apartment. Whether you should go for short-term letting, mid-term letting or long-term letting, we assist you in all this after buying a property. The second thing is, if you are not here, we ensure that we take care of your properties as we do take care of our properties. So basically, in your absence, if there is anything that has to be coordinated with the tenant, if there is any technical work that has to be done, in your absence, we ensure that we take care of your property. And the best part is, we don't charge you a very huge amount for doing this. So what we charge you is just half of a monthly rental in an entire year. So for example, if your rent is 40,000 lira per month, we just charge you 20,000 lira for that entire year. So if you have any other queries or any other issues about this topic that you would like to discuss, do reach us on our WhatsApp. Jazakallah khair for watching us. Assalamu alaikum.